In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to GPT-4 Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to enhance your experience with ChatGPT by incorporating images into your interactions. Images can add context, stimulate creativity, and assist in generating more accurate and detailed responses from the AI. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT. Typically, this can be done by navigating to the OpenAI website and logging into your account. If you're using a desktop or a mobile device, make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will ensure that the process is smooth and without unnecessary interruptions. Once you've logged in, you'll want to create a new chat. Creating a new chat allows you to have a fresh start and focus specifically on the conversation where you plan on including an image. This can usually be done by clicking on a button or selecting an option titled New Chat or similar within the user interface. After starting a new chat, direct your attention to the interface where you'll find a plus icon. This icon is integral to beginning the process of adding new media to your chat. Click on the plus icon and this will expand a menu or present you with new options, one of which will likely be labeled as an image upload or something close to it. Now, you'll see the image upload button. Clicking on this button will prompt you to select an image from your device. It's important to note that the image should be saved on your device and easily accessible to avoid any disruptions during this process. Whether you are using a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, make sure the image file is in a recognizable format such as JPEG or PNG, as these are commonly supported. With the image upload button clicked, browse your device and select the image you want to upload. You might want to organize your files beforehand to easily locate the image you're intending to use. Once selected, the image will likely appear in your chat window as a thumbnail or in some visual form, confirming that it's ready to be included in the conversation. The next step involves typing your prompt. Consider what question or information you want the AI to generate in response to your image. Be as specific and detailed as you can, helping the AI to understand the context and desired outcome of the interaction. Finally, once your prompt is composed, you can press enter or hit the send button to submit your image and prompt to ChatGPT. This triggers the system to process your input and generate a response based on both your prompt and the visual data from the image. By following these steps, you can successfully upload images to ChatGPT and explore new dimensions of interaction. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.